pwede itrabaho. Isa may gusto mahimong doktor dre. Engineer. Wala engineer dahil usa. Abogado. Dancer. Dancer. Model. Wala. Mayor. Vice Mayor. Konsihal. Ingon na nila. Bisag unsa inyong gusto ug ni magtuon mo na ay unod ang inyong una-una, pwede ninyong buhaton. So, paningkamot mo, kunya pag-abot din is panahon. Makita ko ninyo ba? Kita ko ninyo, na naglisod mo, nga, tinananglan ninyo ko yung pa sa pagtuon na magkaroon, pagkita kong grado ninyo. Kaya ako yung mukasto, librihot ang muskwila. So, may tanaw rin. Ha? Anak lang. Nahinay lang kaya anak lang kinabuhi yun. Kinanglan, maningkamot yung kada adlaw, hinahinay. Di mo kinanglan pugso ni mo. Basta hinahinay, makatun ka karon, pahuway, matog ka, mga jikas Ginoo. Importante kayo nga natag Ginoo. Nga jika, kinaupa na po, gamay tuon, hinahinay na po, pasalamat sa Ginoo, nga buhi ta, nakakaunta, unya padayon. Kada adlaw, total, pag-abot panahon kung naglisod mo, na si Ma'am Julie Dayada, mga kaubanan niya, gabantay diri sa inyo, ha? Sultihin mi sa unsa inyong gibate, para kay kami may ginikanan ninyo o wala sila. So, timanin ninyo, samtang wala mo sa inyong mga ginikanan, ako ang inyong ikaduhang papa. Okay na sa inyo, ha? Ayun lang magkagool, importante ang amuang isipandari, ginasiguro nga malipay mo. So, kana pagtuon na mo, kaya kung gusto makita pohon, nga makaginhawa po yung kinabuhi. Kaya na to din eh. Kaya, huwag hilakay, hilakay. Sige. So, asa na galing ko? Oh, medyo may katotohanan niyang yung tatay ko, may mga abilit na mga sinasabi. Pero, I just want to tell you that hindi naman talaga natin alam kung ano mangyayari. We have a trial this September. Gusto ko para sa inyo na you should remain optimistic. Kasi hindi pwede yung padrino natin nandoon, tapos tayo mahina dito. So we have to remain optimistic because for sure, to honor all the things that he did for this country is to pick ourselves up and do it harder than he did. Kailangan push talaga tayo. Hindi pwede na nagsakripisyo sa at ipinakita niya lahat ng kaya niyang gawin para sa minamahal niyang bansa at tayo naman ay titigil lang kasi dahil nandun siya sa malayo or tingin niya wala siya, gano'n. Hindi pwede. It is our responsibility now. Kasi kung hindi natin i-absorb o tanggapin yung responsibility because he only showed the way. Ang maganda doon, may daanan na pinakita yung tao sa atin. Ang kulang na lang, dadaanan na lang natin. Yun ang pinakamahirap sa lahat. Na makita natin kung saan tayo dadaan. And the only thing that we do now is to go through that road. Now, I ask you, ano ang mas mahirap? Ang sinimulan o yung itutuloy mo lang? Diba? Mas lisod yun ang sugod yun. Karon ipadayon na lang nato. This is to all those Filipinos who believe in Him. This is our responsibility and obligation, not only to ourselves, to our families, but to the entire country. So, that's the only way to honor His work in this country. And the kind of governance that He showed to all the Filipinos during his term as president. So, laban lang. 2 years na lang na 2 years. Tanawan ninyo, look, the midterm elections, they never won. They want to, give you the perception of that they're still standing, there, but wala na, they're crumbling. every day they are deteriorating because most often the things that you do, lalo na sinimulan mo sa mga pangit na bagay, it will most likely end up in pangit din. So ito si PRD, may sinimulan siyang magandang bagay. Something that we can, nurture and take care of and make it grow. Pwede natin pagandahin. Murag tanong ba? Mura na sa gliso nga gitanong nimo, huwag ka ng mangga sa inyong likod, ka ng lubid. It's only a seed that He planted in all of us. Pwede na ito i-nurture, take care of it, and someday it will grow into a tree and immortalize His legacy as President of this country. So, do not give up, be stronger, and do as He did, fight for your country. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. God bless you all.
I think he deserves the loudest round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Mayor, for that. And those words are exactly what we needed. Yes, a while ago, tears fell down, but
Cruz Angeles and our vloggers, and Ma'am Grace Ibulna, Ma'am Stella Estemera, Sir Antonio Llamas, and Ma'am Jasmine Igan, and CG Architects, and our friends of Kids of Balay Damupan. So I prepared a speech here, but before I say my speech, I want to thank you all and everybody who helped build this classroom for the friends of PRRD. And as much as we love and naa siya diri sa atoa, I know his thoughts, his prayers, and his heart, most importantly, is here. So it is a privilege to be invited as guest of honor for the ribbon cutting and inauguration of the Rodrigo Duterte Academic Building here at Balay Damupan. This gathering is very personal to me because it was an initiative spearheaded by none other than our Tatay Digong. My grandfather, the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, with its groundbreaking held on his birthday in 2024, ug wala ta nagdahon na tungod sa pagpaningkamot ug sa tinud-anay na serbisyo sa atong mga kauban diri. Isa ka tuig ang nilabay. They are opening their doors as a symbol of his enduring commitment to education and child welfare. I hope that Balay Damupan will continue to uphold their purpose to make this building a symbol of learning and hope for the many young minds who call Balay Damupan their home. So, before I end, once again, thank you for inviting me here. It's truly an honor and privilege to be here with you celebrating this moment of my lolo and Tatay Digong. For the friends of Tatay Digong, thank you for being here with us. Mayong hapon kaninyo tanan. God bless inyo. Daghang salamat.
thank you very much, Acting Vice Mayor Rigo Duterte. Daghang salamat sa mga mensahe. And you really planted in us not just seed, but blazing fire of hope nga. Walay karaniwang tao sa atong tanan ron diri. Each one of us can ignite that fire that will surely bring that whirlwind of change in the community that we are in. And now, as a response for the messages of our Honorable Mr. Baste and of course Vice Mayor Rigo, our Balay Damupan kids also prepared something. This would be a response that the love of our Tatay Digong is surely